How do children learn to read in Montessori? In Montessori, reading doesn't start with memorizing words or letters on a page. Instead, children begin by writing. This approach aligns with their natural development and allows them to explore letters, sounds, and words in a hands on, meaningful way. Children first learn to write letters and words before they read them. This may seem backwards, but it's intentional. When children can create words with letters they know, they understand how sounds form words. Writing comes first, and reading naturally follows. The first step is sandpaper letters. Each letter is made of textured sandpaper and mounted on a wooden board. Children trace the letters with their fingers while saying the letter sound. This tactile, multisensory approach strengthens memory and prepares children for writing and reading. Tracing the letters helps children internalize both the shape and sound of each letter. It builds confidence and skill, so when they eventually pick up a pencil, writing feels natural. This step lays the foundation for reading, as they already know the sounds letters represent. Once children know letter sounds, they move on to the movable alphabet. This set of letters allows them to form words without writing them manually. By focusing on assembling letters into words, children gain confidence and reinforce their understanding of sound to letter relationships. The movable alphabet lets children experiment with word formation. They can sound out letters, arrange them into words, and explore spelling, all without the fine motor challenge of writing. This builds a strong connection between letters, sounds, and meaning, supporting reading development. This approach nurtures independence, confidence, and a love of learning. Because children actively engage with letters and sounds, reading becomes a natural extension of their experiences. Montessori literacy isn't rushed, it's thoughtful, joyful, and enduring. Thank you for joining this session. I hope you've gained some insight into how children learn to read in Montessori classrooms. Remember, if you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to like the video and follow us on all of our social media platforms for more content exploring Montessori philosophy, classroom practices, and the development of the whole child.